right now we're gonna do the story of Gideon and the Midianites, but since we're females, we changed the name to Gideana. So right now, Gideana is some farmer girl. You know, she's doing her chores on the farm, milking the cow, feeding the chicken, cleaning the porch, whatever you have to do on the farm. I don't know because I don't live on a farm.
In a zoo.
So right now, she's about to meet her destiny.
Poof! I'm not shining that light. I told you about this. Oh, Gideana! Oh my God! Send me down here. I didn't know a message. Okay, that's cool. Come here, they're angels. What did my Jesus say? God sent me to tell you to be a commander. Oh, heaven no! God sent me to tell you to be a commander, to go to war with your woman.
Okay.
So go gather them.
With your woman.
Go, my woman.
So at first, Gideana isn't quite what's the word? Quite sure about, you know, leading a group of women to war. You know how hard it is, how long they're gonna take in the showers, and their drama and PMSing. So she liked one sign.
Send me a sign so I know what to do. Okay. Tomorrow morning, I will have this piece of towel. It has to be wet, but the ground dry. Okay.
So Gideana leaves her fleece of towel on the ground outside her house, and she goes and sleep. And that night,
with that, like, we gotta talk about this, Jesus. Put it away! 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 Okay. Okay. Shabai.
so Gideana wakes up the next morning.
God, guys, it's wet. And the floor is dry.
But Gideana still not too sure about leading a bunch of women, so she asked for another sign.
God, okay, this time you gotta make the floor wet and this piece of towel dry.
So once again, she leave them out and she go back to sleep.
Oh my God!
And that night,
Oh Jesus! I'm over it. Just turn it off. Please, please. Oh! On! Not my job. It's good enough.
and the next morning, Gideana wakes up.
You tonight. God. It's dry. And the floor is wet. Oh Lord, I will be the commander of my woman soldiers.
So she gathers all the women in her community.
Oh, come on, guys.
So now that she gathered all the women in her community, God looks at them and is like, oh, there's too many people. So she'd go over to Gideana and be like, "Hey, Gideana, get too much people. Tell whoever is scared, go home." And so,
God spoke to me. Told me. Whoever's scared, they go home.
don't mind them. They can come back because we need people in our army. But then God would look again and he's like, there's still too many people. So go over back to Gideon and he's like, go take them to the water. Whoever drink funny, tell them go home.
I just go. Yes! Water! The water. Tell me the lake.
So Gideana goes and tells them go home.
This guy told me. So ever drinking water, not correctly, you know, like them, go home now. But I didn't want to come back anyway.
They're coming back.
Oh, they're coming back.
Okay, so now God looks and he's like, oh, that's perfect. And we only get like 300 girls. Okay, so now
They didn't want.
now Gideon with 300 soldiers against like 1,000-man army. They're like, we need a plan. So Gideon goes and takes a couple of our people over to the enemy side.
I'm so scared.
Oh, we gotta die! We're gonna die! The monkey die yesterday! That's okay. I don't even know if we're gonna go to heaven. So that night, Gideon and our army goes.
Gideana.
Gideana goes and gathers her army, and they each have a jug with a torch inside, and they have a horn. And while the enemy was sleeping, they surrounded their enemies, and when they were all in position, Gideana would blow her horn when they're all in position and ready. So the Midianites, being so surprised, they totally freak out and end up killing each other. So now they're dead, and Gideon's team has won. And Gideana's team has won. The end.
This is the story of Gideon winning the war.
Yeah.
Hey, we're in the